Hello, welcome back to the channel. Got a little friend with us this week because the normal mic has gone. Anyway, what I'm going to do this week is a Middle Eastern dish called Shakshuka, which is what they have in the Middle East at any time, mainly for breakfast, but you can have it as a snack, you can have it at lunchtime. It's got lots of spices and it's finished off with eggs, and it is very, very simple to make. Watch along and let's see how we do. See you soon. Follow along with me whilst I show you how to make this dish. Start off by finely cutting and dicing one large onion. Make sure you get your onion fine but not too fine. You want it to cook but you don't want it to turn into mush and pulp. Next up, add olive oil into a pan and get it nice and hot. Throw in your onions and spread them so that they cook evenly. Cook for about 5 minutes. Whilst you're browning off your onion, deseed a red pepper, chop it finely. You want to aim for consistent cube shapes so they cook evenly. Once done, add garlic to the middle of your pan. Add this into the onions and stir it through. Straight after you've added your garlic, add in the pepper and stir this in, and now cook this off for a further 7 minutes. After this, add some tomato puree and diced tinned tomatoes. Try and get some nice quality tomatoes, as this will really enhance the flavour of your dish. It's now time to add all of your spices. Throw in paprika, salt, cumin, chili flakes, sugar and black pepper. These flavours will absolutely blow your mind. A perfect Middle Eastern blend with a spicy kick. Let this simmer for 15 minutes before you move on. Excited yet? You should be. Get 4 eggs. I like to use free range. Happy chickens make happier eggs. Pour 4 wells in your dish and gently pour in the eggs. After you've done this, pop the lid back on and let it simmer for 10 minutes or until it's cooked to your liking. Top it off with some coriander and now serve this up and enjoy it. Hello, welcome back. That's the dish made. Lovely Middle Eastern treat this week. Serving it with some bread. It's a little bit spicy, but it really does taste good. It wakes you up, I'll tell you that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make this yourself. It's very easy to do. And thank you once again, Jack, for your filming and editing. And I'll see you again next week for the next video. Thank you. Bye.